Wait, these AI tools can't be real, right? Because what I'm about to show you feels like something straight out of a hacker movie. These 7 secret AI tools can clone voices, edit full videos in seconds, even build projects automatically. And yet, they're 100% free and legal. The craziest part? Almost no one knows they exist. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have 7 AI tools that feel too powerful to be free, but are absolutely real, and will change how you work, create, and make money online in 2025. You're watching ToolLayer AI, smart tools, smart you. Let's start with number 1 before it disappears from the internet. Number 1, Runway ML. The AI that makes Hollywood-level video editing look like magic. Just type what you want. Remove background, make it cinematic, or turn this photo into a video. Seconds later, done. No timeline, no stress. You can literally create trailers, animations, and shorts just from text. It's like having an entire film crew in your browser. Next is ElevenLabs, the voice that sounds more human than humans. This AI can read your script, clone your voice, and speak in almost any accent or language perfectly. The scary part? Even professionals can't tell it's AI. It's your secret weapon for faceless YouTube videos, audiobooks, or character content that sounds premium. This one feels like cheating. Kaiber AI turns simple text into cinematic video scenes. Type something like, "a robot exploring Mars at sunset," and it builds a full motion video from it. You can even turn your static image into a movie. No camera, no editing, just AI. Fourth, we've got Notion AI, your digital brain that thinks faster than you. It can summarize reports, generate business ideas, write plans, and organize your thoughts automatically. You'll go from chaos to clarity in seconds. Imagine having ChatGPT and a project manager in one workspace. That's Notion AI. Next up, OpusClip, the secret behind viral short-form videos. Upload a long YouTube video, and it scans your content to pull the most engaging clips automatically. It adds captions, formats for TikTok, and even ranks clips by virality score. What used to take hours, now takes seconds. Number 6 is Taskade AI, your team's intelligent co-pilot. It helps you brainstorm, build workflows, write to-do lists, and manage projects in real time. Think of it as your AI-powered office that never sleeps, perfect for remote teams and creators. And finally, Fliki AI, the easiest way to make videos without showing your face. Just paste your script, pick a voice, and choose visuals. In minutes, you've got a polished video ready for YouTube or TikTok. It's literally how many faceless creators are making full-time income in 2025. Want to create content that looks and sounds next level? Use Fliki to generate your video, then polish it in Runway ML with cinematic effects. You'll get viral quality content that looks like it was made by a full studio, all powered by AI. So, which of these AI tools blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. If you found something new, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next drop. You're watching ToolLayer AI, smart tools, smart you. See you in the next one.